Let's quickly take a look at the way that you enable Gmail offline mode. With the Gmail offline mode, you can read, reply, and manage your emails without having a internet connection, and everything syncs up automatically once you're back online. In order to activate or enable the offline mode, click on the settings icon on the top right, click on see all settings, and then head over to the offline option, which is on the right hand side. Click on or select the enable offline mail option. Now there are a few settings that you can choose from, such as how many days of email you want to store, whether you want to keep or remove offline data when you log out or not. So you can select from these three options, such as 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days. There are no options for the 90 days. So if you want to store a lot of data or a lot of emails offline, make sure you select the 90 days options. And if you want to download the attachments or not as well. Now you can also select if you want to keep your data on your computer or not. If you want, you can make sure to select the first option. If not, if you want to remove your data from your computer, select the second option. So once you selected both of these options, click on Save Changes. And there you go, as easy as that. Gmail will start syncing your emails so you can access them anytime, even without having Wi-Fi. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.